Little disclaimer before today's video starts. I filmed today's video before I filmed this video. So I already know that the intake doesn't work on my current engine setup, which is why I gave up on it. So go check out that video if you want to know why. But today's video, just take it for what it is. I just want to show you guys some products that I purchased and a little unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. A bit of a chill video today. We're just going to be doing some unboxing on some parts that I have been waiting for a while. It's been like 2 months and it's finally here and we're going to be unboxing them. We're going to start out with the smallest box. And this one, I hope you guys can't see any of the addresses. Not that it matters. It'd be cool to do like a nice little satisfying unboxing type beat video. But we're not there yet. Oh, bro, I don't even know how to open. How do you open this? Alright, it's good enough. Now, this part is from Hybrid Racing, and I just want to say before opening any of these packages, I'm not affiliate with any companies or any brands, so if you're going to buy a product, honestly, just buy whatever product you want. It's actually a nice piece. It feels pretty heavy, pretty sturdy. I wasn't expecting that. But I got a Hybrid Racing universal fan. It's for the size, it's like the half size one, and I believe it's a 12-inch fan that was needed for it, so I just went ahead and picked up the matching brand. Hopefully this ends up working out. These are all just little parts to install it onto my radiator. So the next package, I already opened it. I wanted to check it out because I wanted to see if I was missing anything, which I was. Let me show you. So this little part right here, which is the intake air temperature sensor, and I was missing it on my car. So I went ahead and bought one just so I could have it already. Kind of have an idle surge on the K20 engine, and I'm kind of hoping that that helps out a little bit. DC Sports. The next thing that I got is an intake. My car didn't come with an intake. This is what it looks like. It's a nice little silver pearl kind of finish. It also comes with the filter. And we got all our little brackets, couplers, I'm assuming vacuum lines, and all the little hoses that we need. The thing about this intake is I think I paid a little bit more because it's like a 50 state legal intake, and I want to minimize the the possibility of me getting like state ref or anything like that. And last but not least, we got the main meat of today's video, which is a frick heavy ass box, man. We got our axles for the Civic. I'm not sure if we needed them, but the axle, I believe the passenger side axle, it's kind of acting funny. Whenever we're installing these, I'll go ahead and show you guys why I think that we need to swap them out. So I went ahead and bought some, and these are rated for 500 horsepower, which we probably will not be hitting anytime soon. They also sell like the 1000 horsepower one, but I don't have plans of ever going above 500 horsepower. To be quite junior with y'all. It's an insane shafts axle. Oh yeah. All right, well, I don't really want to pull it out all the way just because it might be all greasy and stuff, and I'm not trying to have this everywhere. Never mind. I changed my mind. I wanted to see it too. Oh, hey, bro, this thing is heavy. It comes with the brand new axle nut, so that's pretty nice. You know what? While we're here, might as well open up the other axle, right? This one, I believe, is the one that goes into the what is it called? The intermediate shaft or whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. A little bit of a chill video. And we're going to go ahead and try to install these ASAP because I really want to get the Civic running soon. And these are just some things that I need to get a little bit closer to that. Obviously, if you guys want to tag along for the journey, you guys can subscribe down below. If y'all want, drop a like if y'all want. But that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless. Echale Ganitas.